Don't be afraid. Honey. Honey. Don't be afraid. The sun is close. Okay, it's okay. It's warm now, little love. You're okay. Come here, don't worry. Mommy's right here with you. Drink slowly, baby. Yes, just like that. You must be so hungry. I'm here, I'm right here, sweet angel. Good mama, you're doing amazing. He's getting stronger.
There you go, little one. Feel how warm and cozy it is. This self-heating pad absorbs your kitten's body heat and reflects it back, keeping him naturally warm without plugs or cords. It's soft, ultra comfy, and completely noiseless, perfect for kittens or small cats. You can use it on the floor, sofa, or even windowsill.